Welcome to the Infinity Conference in the Omniverse city, the world's first fully digital conference venue. Every real-world tool you'd expect at a major event is built right in, without the need for downloads, software installs, or special hardware. If you can open a browser, you can step inside. The Infinity Conference is infinitely scalable, making it just as seamless for a private meeting as it is for a global summit with thousands of participants. Rent your booth, customize your space, and connect with attendees in real time. You can even train your own AI representative to welcome guests, answer questions, and showcase your products around the clock. Say goodbye to travel costs, scheduling conflicts, and physical limits. For the first time, your business or event can truly be accessible to the entire world, anytime, anywhere. The Infinity Conference is not just a new way to gather, it's the future of connection, collaboration, and innovation.